This here's pretty beautiful. We kakariki chicks. They're partially hand-tamed, but their new owners is going to be finishing them. They're coming today to pick them up. Just wanted to give you all a wee look at some of Harley's new edition. This is Nellie's little brothers and sister. Aren't they gorgeous? Like, how could you not love those wee chicks? Like, absolutely stunning. It'll be amazing to see what their mutation is, like what they grow up to be like. Yeah, I know we darling. Like, look at the wings we see. Like, look. Oh, I'm sorry, we can't. Did you not like that? Did you not like that? Sorry, I'm bad with a camera. But you all know my videos. Are you just gonna walk away on me? You just gonna walk away on me? You all know my videos are just what you see is what you get, basically. My videos is just to document wee moments in my life. Yes, you go along with that one, pet, and then you're going by yourself.